Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are jumping into a subscription box that is brand new to me, something I have never done before. This is going to be the Kinder Beauty Box. It is a clean, vegan, cruelty-free, natural, the works skincare and makeup subscription box. And today we're going to jump into all the details, whether or not we think that it's worth it or if the price of the box outweighs the value you get. Now, if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the Kinder Beauty Box with me, stay tuned. So this is a celebrity-owned subscription box. It is Daniela Monet and Ivana Lynch. You'll know them from the Harry Potter franchise and Nickelodeon, and both of them have come together to create the Kinder Beauty Box. Now, this unboxing is done in partnership with Kinder Beauty, and I am really excited to show you the items within. But I will say, as always, this is going to be a completely unbiased review. I will talk about what in the box I like, what I don't, and whether or not, as all subscription boxes, it is worth the price point. Now, this is a $26 a month subscription box, but if you do the 3 or 6 month, you'll get a little bit of a discount in there, just like with every other box. Jumping right in, as always, there's going to be some form of a theme card. Welcome to the Kinder Beauty Box. The letter from our co-founders. We started Kinder Beauty with the goal of mainstreaming ethical beauty. We are inspired by the enormous variety of top-notch, clean, vegan, cruelty-free beauty and self-care items, and we want to create a hub where we can deliver the best products from the best companies that are the best for your body. At Kinder Beauty, you are receiving our tried and true favorite items to look and feel beautiful from the inside out. And you can rest assured knowing that no animals were harmed and no harmful toxins are included in the making of your beauty box. We welcome you to the Kinder Beauty family as much as we hope you love our Kinder's Fave box as much as we do. Now, this is going to be the favorites box, which is not one of the monthly boxes. This is the bonus box that you get for subscribing. First item out of the box comes from the brand Earth Harbor, which I have received many times in many different subscription boxes, and you know I'm a big fan. This is the Earth Harbor Mermaid Milk Nutrient Glow Moisturizer. A longtime Kinder Beauty favorite, this nourishing moisturizer is packed with spirulina, matcha, hyaluronic acid, and concentrated phytonutrients and antioxidants that work together to lock in moisture, reduce redness, and boost radiance. Bonus, Earth Harbor is the first beauty brand to achieve climate neutral, plastic negative, and 1% for the planet. Now, Earth Harbor is one of those brands that I think I've received 15 different products from, and I've liked pretty much all of the ones that I've used. This is the Nutrient Glow Moisturizer, so let's pop that on. Clearly, the matcha gives it this weird green color, but I'm not entirely mad at that. Now, with your moisturizer, you want to make sure that you're letting it really sink into the skin, and don't go too abrasive when rubbing it in. I like to use the very tips of my fingers just to glide it over and make sure that I'm putting a thin layer all over the surface of the skin. If you over rub it or apply it too aggressively on the skin, you'll end up wiping most of that into your hands rather than on the skin. Now, the first thing with this product that I do want to call out is the fact that I have very sensitive skin, which means the second I pop anything on, my skin gets to get very red and inflamed, and I'm not seeing that at all, which is a true call out to all of the anti-inflammatory ingredients in here to help keep that redness down and just boost that hydration and glow. And this does retail for $42. Next, we have the Hanua Skincare Hawaiian Beauty Water retailing for $18. Tone, tighten, and chill all at the same time. Ingredients like aloe and witch hazel work to fight blemishes and inflammation, while Hawaiian sandalwood, vetiver, neroli, and blue tansy come together for a calming, fresh scent. Now, this is going to be more of a mist. Typically, you do want to apply something like this underneath your moisturizer, but I actually like to do it both underneath and on top, because when I'm working with a product like this, those anti-inflammatory, anti-pollution benefits, after you've rubbed your fingers on your face, will help to disinfect a little bit. It's definitely a little bit of an aggressive spray, but that being said, it was a really refreshing scent, and it does feel really nicely on the skin. I'm excited to play around with this a little bit more, because I do say this in pretty much every video, until you're consistently using skincare for 28 to 60 days, you're not really going to see results. So you'll know pretty quickly if you're going to have contact dermatitis, an allergic reaction, a breakout, hives, the works. But as far as whether you're getting the full potency and it's actually doing what it says it does, it is going to take a little bit of time. Next, from the brand Dirty Lamb, this is the Ultra Night Serum for $52. This is a product, or this is a brand that I'm very familiar with. There was a beauty box that I used to get that used to send Dirty Lamb products all the time. I will remember that box. It did go out of business, unfortunately, during the pandemic. If I remember, I will put it up on the screen. But this is to soothe and calm your senses with lavender, ylang-ylang, and orange oils. The luxurious serum contains a concentrated blend of antioxidants and fatty oil acids that will hydrate and nourish your skin while you sleep. Now, it is about 2 in the afternoon, and I do not need an overnight oil right now, but I will definitely be giving this a try tonight and seeing how I feel with it. But based on the ingredients, there's nothing in there that I think is going to give me an issue. And the ingredients that I do tend to avoid, none of them are in here. I don't have to worry about coconut or apricot oils. Next, from the brand 100% Pure, these are the Bright Eye Masks, retailing for $7. Treat your eyes to some extra love with 100% pure hydrated caffeine eye masks, made with a hydrogel composed of 95% aloe water and 5% plant cellulose. The eye mask is made to adhere to your face until the skin drinks up all of the moisture. Used for a quick depuffing treatment or for a longer hydrating eye mask before a big event. So I have used masks like this many times, but for today I am going to pop it on because I've got a couple videos to film, and why not depuff my eyes? Now, it's definitely saturated in the serum, which is absolutely a good sign because it means you're going to get a decent amount on the hydrogel pad. Now, I've seen people who put it on with the fat side in and some people with the fat side out. It really doesn't matter from the research I've done. I like to use the thinner side getting into the tear duct of the eye and allowing that depuff to go all the way over the cheek, but it is completely up to you. And while we leave those on, I'm going to jump into the last item in the box. This comes from Moonlit Skincare, and this is the Bamboo Silk Scrunchie, retailing for $10. Diligent with your hair care but still seeing random breakage, your hair tie might be to blame. The silky smooth scrunchie is made from soft bamboo, which means no ridges, breakage, or damage to your hair. Slide it on in blackout black for a chic chignon or a simple ponytail. Now, I don't think any of you have ever seen me with my hair in a ponytail, but it is actually it's always pinned up. It is quite long, and I do like to sleep in a scrunchie, so I'll definitely be popping this in tonight before bed. Now, all in, a $26 subscription box has a value of $129, and there is not a single item in here so far that I haven't liked. The water was really refreshing, but the fact that the moisturizer is almost double the value of the box definitely means that this is a fantastic value for $26. Whenever I'm looking at the end of an unboxing, I like to think, if I was to take $26 and go to Ulta or Sephora or Credo or any of these beauty retailers and spend the money there, would I get more things that I'd like than I would out of the box? And in this case, the box is definitely the way to go. I will link everything down below. I would love to hear your input as always. Do you think this box is worth it? Would you pick it up? And what was your favorite item? As always, let me know down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.